Okay, I'm gonna crack my knuckles. So if you don't like the noise of cracking knuckles, don't watch this. I would not recommend it. That really hurt, but felt good.